Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Monday, first trading day of the week and first week after Chinese New Year. Market went down a lot due to the weekend announcement of tariff by the President Trump. Basically, market this morning when market started opening for the futures, Nasdaq, S&P are all down a lot. But when the official US market opened, stock market opened, it actually started to recover. So now it's only down a little bit. Because of that, one of my portfolio swing trades actually hit my stop loss. Very small loss. But the purpose of this video is to share with you I have two new trades, right, on the short side, right, short sell. So let's jump in and I'll show you more. Okay, so we are at my screen right now. You can see over here there is basically a new trade on KO, right? Now KO, I have two trades, right? One on was done around in December, right? Early December, this trade. And it did go back down, but didn't hit my take profit and went back up, right? Okay, in fact, in between here, I have a trade that was stop loss 1 day later. But over here, I have a trade just done just now. Of course, now it's slight profit because it is going back up. It's a short sell trade, right? Okay, I reduced my risk by 20%, right? Roughly 20-30%, close to that range. Why? Because it's on the short side and I do see like Coca-Cola might be going up. But a risk reduction of 20% doesn't affect too much on my profits because eventually if it hits my take profit level, I still make a big profit, right? Okay, and I did get roughly at the entry price, right? And stop loss is quite tight over here. We will see how it goes, but who knows, maybe it will just come down before earnings, or after earnings it might just gap down and make me a bigger than normal profit, right? Nobody knows. And because of the reduced risk due to the earnings as well, right, partly because of that, even if it gap against me, I'm not too worried, right? Okay, yeah, that's risk management for you. But very importantly, Starbucks, there's another trade that's on the short side, right? Okay, I did go in around at entry price. It gapped lower, right? Triggering the sell trade, but I didn't go in until much later when it's now around at entry level. Partly also because I have a full-time trader training session for my students who is in the full-time trader program, right? So we end quite late, around at midnight, in fact, right? So after that, then I start to look at this portfolio and my swing trades to make the trades. So two new trades, KO and Starbucks. But KO, I have existing now outstanding two running trades, right? Different entry point and different take profit point and different stop loss point as well, right? One thing to note is that you can see over here my trade over here, the buy trade did go up, didn't take my profit, but today it kept down a little bit, hit my stop loss, but still okay, still within range, right? Why? Because it didn't get past my stop loss, right? Okay, so if you look at here, this is my took a $15 loss, right? Okay, a very small loss, in fact, because if you look at my Amazon trade, $46 easily cover my GM loss and even my Microsoft loss, right? Both of them add up together is even smaller than my profit over here, right? Okay, or even Apple, right? Okay, which is quite a big profit as well, and also Facebook, which is a good, fantastic $62 of profit, right? Okay, so overall still quite okay, still within my acceptable range in terms of risk management, small losses and making bigger profits. So overall, my equity came down a little bit because of Microsoft hitting my stop loss. So now is my equity is $4,860, right? Okay, with running profit of around $19, with two new trades on KO and Starbucks as well, right? Good thing is that mRNA is moving in my favor, right? I think I updated last week on this trade. Now it's moving slightly more into my profit, right? Halfway through, right? Go another halfway, will hit my take profit zone, and definitely it will be quite a big profit for me, especially like over here. I think I did get a slightly better price at the entry price, slightly higher, and that's why it might give me a bigger than normal profit, expected profit, if it hit my take profit zone, right? Take profit price level, right? Okay, and now halfway there is already $34, right? Maybe it will hit around 50ish or even 60ish kind of profit, right? Okay, we see how it goes, and basically overall, you can see the overall market, Nasdaq is down almost 1%, S&P is down almost also close to 1%. But basically over here, you can see that it's rebounding since early morning, right? In fact, earlier in the day, right, Nasdaq was down more than 2%, closing into down negative 3%, minus 3%, right? Almost there. Earlier in the day, right? Now it has recovered quite a lot, right? In fact, recovered about 2%, right? So it's down about less than 1% now, right? Which is a good thing, which means the market is brushing off the news, right? From the tariff announced by US President Trump, right? But of course, it's only one day. We see how sometimes there's ripple effects, and we see how the market goes. But definitely this month, because of the new president, definitely I do expect some uncertainty in the markets this month, in the month of February, and because of that, right? I might do, in my own personal portfolio, I might do some short sell trades just to balance off my own swing trades portfolio, because I mostly have long trades, right? Okay, so I might start doing some short sell trades to balance my personal swing trade portfolio as well, right? Okay, but for this portfolio, using the profit signal, basically I would just follow the profit signal triggers. Like naturally, when my profit signal based on my trade to win strategy, right, shows that you should short sell, right? Okay, the short sell start to come in already, right? Even Starbucks, the short sell is starting to come in, and KO as well, and even mRNA much earlier, like 2-3 trading days ago last week, it already triggered, right? Or even PFE, the sell trades are there. So not to worry if market do have a strong selling coming in. It might bring this few short sell trades into bigger profits for me, and even for Intel is a short sell trade. So going down overall, even for PFE as well, right? Okay, so overall, if it goes down, maybe you'll hit my stop loss for Tesla or even BAC, but the rest, I think I have more short sell trades now, right? Okay, let's take a look. Right, I have sell, buy two, basically two buys, and the rest are all sell, right? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades, 2 are buy trades, and 5 are sell trades, right? Okay, and one of the sell trades is giving me quite a good profit as well, right? Okay, so telltale signs that I wouldn't say telltale signs, I would say proven. The proven strategy on the profit signal does tell us telltale signs that the market might be selling off, and that's why it starts to trigger sell trades for us to take, right? To take advantage of the future selling, so that we can profit from it, right? Maybe that is the case, right? It's not 100% right, but a lot of times it does give an early heads up, right? Like, hey, the market could be selling off, and the profit signal will trigger the sell trades, right? Like what you have seen here, right? Overall 7 trades, more than 50% of them are sell trades, right? Okay, so we see how it goes, right? You can see over here the Nasdaq is starting to have another round of very small selling, right? Okay, now it's slightly down a little bit more to 1%, right? Okay, and of course, if you do your trading right, just like what I show you in my portfolio, right? Not too much to worry about. Even a sell off like mRNA 8% down is actually good for us, right? Okay, giving us more profits. Whether the market goes down or goes up, you can actually still overall do well, right? Okay, or at least be defensive, right? Okay, using the profit signal. So this is the main reason why I'm showing you on a day-by-day basis or week-by-week basis, whenever my profit signal trigger, or whenever I get out of trade, or whenever I take profit, or whenever I take a stop loss, I update you, right? You can see through the days, weeks, or months that the portfolio is quite stable, defensive, and actually does slowly but surely continue to give us profits as well, right? Okay, And hopefully you are doing well in your own trading as well. Happy Chinese New Year to you, right? Even though last week was Chinese New Year, right? Okay, it's 15 days of Chinese New Year anyway, right? Okay, so hope you enjoy your Chinese New Year period, festive season, and hopefully your trading is doing pretty well as well. And may the profits be with you, and I will see you soon in my next update. See you soon.
Hope you love the video and learn something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.